Good morning, you guys. Good morning. Good morning. How are you guys doing? Welcome to another ride along with me while doing deliveries, y'all. I am doing Spark delivery the whole entire day. Come, let's make money while using your car. It can be a side hustle. You can work it full time. You can work part time. Whatever you want. Come. Let's go work, you guys. I'm about to start my shift right now using my car, sitting in my car, driving the whole day around, delivering groceries. So they just give me an order, my first order of the day. Right now it's 7 in the morning. I received an order, $30, 3 drops for 9 miles, guys. So I'm going to deliver it, and yeah, our first order, it paid real good. So we are here in a parking lot, in a Walmart parking lot, waiting for orders. Yeah, I'm waiting for them to bring an order. What a beautiful day. We are going to have a very beautiful day. Oh, they bring my order. Do you see them? Let me open the trunk. So you guys, he's done loading my deliveries in the car. He put my first one over there. He put the other one over there, and the other one is in a trunk. So I have 3 deliveries for $30, and I'm going 9 miles. So I'm about to start heading there, and yeah. So here I'm grabbing my first order. I'm going to drop it. This is my first delivery, yeah. This is my first delivery. I'm going to deliver it. It says 1B. It's this way. One BC. That's it. And you just place it down like so, and you take a picture. This is my 3rd drop, y'all. It's a lot of stuff. And thank God it's not an apartment, it's a house, so I'm good. I am good, y'all. Just received our second order of the day, and shopping order. Shopping order, $35 for 5 miles. And I'm shopping for 37 items, yeah. Yeah. Just dropped off the shopping order, and right now I'm going back to Walmart. I have about 9 minutes to get there. So yeah, and we have $65 so far, and it's $9.55 right now. So our goal for today is $200. Yeah, $200. If we make it, that's great. If we don't make it, that's great. But goal is supposed to be met. $200 for today. You guys, when I don't have an order, I'll be editing my YouTube videos. This is why I love this job. It gives me time to record, it gives me time to edit, and it gives me time to make money while I am in my car, y'all. So we just received another order, $27, 9 miles with the 3 drops. Right now it's 10:50, so They're about to bring my order and start delivering it. My order was taking too long. I was like, why is they're not bringing out my order? And I just received this says my order is canceled. So now we have to wait here for another order. That order I waited for maybe 15 more minutes. Yeah, 15 more minutes, and I just received the shopping order, $28 shopping order. Yeah. And we are going to shop for 12 items, y'all. 12 items. You guys, I'm back. I have went to my appointment. Ooh, I had my appointment today, so I'm back from there, and I'm at Walmart right now. It's 1:50, and I have a new order which is here, and I'm waiting for them to bring in my car. It's $18, 7 mile with 3 drops. Yo, it's hot. I'm burning up. This thing that I'm wearing, and it's only this inside. I am burning up. You guys, I haven't updated you guys in a minute. I am busy. I'm taking order right now. It's 4:35, and all this is the order that I took. I was busy on a call on the phone. I didn't show you guys or update you. So right now we are on 193, y'all, and it's 4:35. So, and I'm planning to go home at 8. I already told you guys, if you watch my previous video, every Friday since the kids doesn't go to school the next day, I go home around 7 or 8. Like I can work whenever, like I can finish whenever I want, because I'm not rushing to go home to give the kids to excuse me, y'all. So yeah, and I just received an order, $26, 90 mile with 3 drops that I'm about to go pick it up right now. And yeah, so we're gonna pass our goal, y'all. I can smell it. We're gonna pass our goal. You guys, it's 8 p.m. right now. It's 8 and I'm going home. My shift is over, you guys. We made our goal. We made 235. We just made 235. Yes. All right, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I love you. Bye. See you guys in my next video.